up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop. Welcome to issue 77 of Build, the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow this link here all the way to their website. Ching! There's also a clickable version below in the description, and that will take you to their website where you can take out a subscription for this 1/8 scale Ford Mustang. What a car. So we're doing a part 77 today, and this is the engine timing cover. So you've got all your bits and bobs there: timing cover, steering pump bracket, steering pump, timing cover bracket, small stopper, and then the screws to go with it. So we're going to be popping this together like so, nice and simple, and then we're going to end up with this little assembly here, all nice and completed, folks. Okay, nice and simple issue. So we've got all the bits at the back there, as you can see, laid out. So we'll start a bit of assembly for you. So first up, we want a 77E, which is this tiny, tinsy-wincy little part, and it's got a semicircle cut out on it. And that is going to sit right up in this little cover, up in the top there, like that. Okay? So a simple press fit in place, like so. Nice resistance fit, like that. So that's in situ. We've then got this piece here that is going to sit atop these two pegs, like so. Nice and easy. And we're going to be putting a couple of DS02 screws in that. So we're going to whop a bit of oil on these because we are going into die cast. So I just want to make sure I do what I can to help them on their merry way, folks. So let's just hold that in place and start screwing that in. Just like that. And then we can do the same with the other one. Like that. Pop. Rest that on my knuckle, and then we can screw that fully home. Bingo, like that. So that's what you're after. We've then got these two pieces here that are going to go together, like so. Orientate that. It's a semicircle, so it can only go in the one way. So just give that a twist to line the semicircle up, and then using your thumb, just press it home, like that. Makes a nice, squishy, resounding, strange noise, that one. And then we're going to spin that round that way. Bring this body in, and it's going in that little corner like that. Okay? And then whilst holding that in place, we'll secure that with a PS05 screw, which is just under there. Little bit of oil, just to help the screw on its way. Just like that. And then whilst holding that together, just rest that across my knuck and get that in situ, just like that. Pop. And that's that together. And that's what you're going to have at the end of this issue, folks. You're going to have this timing cover assembly, all looking rather suave and ready to go, folks. Nice simple issue, that one. Really was that easy. Don't forget, folks, if you want to grab this and build along with me, head over to this link here, all the way along there. Pop. Clickable version below in the description, and take out a subscription for this wonderful 1/8 scale car. You will not be disappointed, folks. Also, to help me out, just give little Festa Pops a click there. Subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell whilst you're there to get notified of future content. Thank you so much for keeping me company. Stay safe and well. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.